And in international news, the US economy saw the strongest surge in new jobs in over 9 months. The closely watched unemployment rate surprisingly fell to roughly a 2-year low. Employers added 192,000 jobs in February, which was more than expected, and the most since May last year. Meanwhile, the unemployment rate surprisingly dropped to 8.9% as more job seekers found work last month. The unemployment rate now sits near a 2-year low. As the labor market catches up to a rebound long seen in other parts of the economy, the overall recovery in the world's largest economy gathers strength. John Sylvia, chief economist at Wells Fargo, calls the report encouraging.
Simply because it does suggest that this is a sustainable pace of job growth. It was nice to see the unemployment rate down a little bit. It was good to see that most of the job growth was, in fact, in the private sector. I think those are all good signs telling us we have sustainable economic growth and a better labor market.
British house prices fell at their fastest pace in February for more than a year. That's according to mortgage lender Halifax. But earlier figures from competitor Nationwide paint a different picture. According to Halifax data, in the 3 months to February, house prices plummeted 2.8% compared to a year ago. That's the fastest rate since October 2009. For February, house prices are down 0.9%, double what analysts had expected compared to a rise of 0.8% in January. But Halifax's latest figures contrast sharply with a survey earlier this week from mortgage lender Nationwide. It showed February house prices are up 0.3% on the month. Japan on Saturday launched its newest high-speed train, upgrading its fleet of bullet trains for the first time in 14 years. The new aerodynamic train is named Hayabusa and will be the fastest in the nation at an operating speed of 300 kilometers or 180 miles an hour. Japan also hopes to export the trains. It plans to sell its latest railway technology overseas. The country's first high-speed train went into operation in October 1964. Over its 47-year history, there has been not one single fatal accident, despite the country's many earthquakes and typhoons. Officials hope the new bullet trains will live up to this standard. That's the latest in international business. Before we go, we will take a quick look at the Asian equity markets, then at the price of oil, followed by metals and a selection of currencies exchanged into dirhams. After that, Mona Nasser is back with the news.